Hello everyone, in this video we have this nice problem. We have 8 over x times 8 over x is equal to 8, and we have to find the value of x. But before we begin, you know the deal. Pause the video and try first, and if you're new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to multiply the numerators, okay? So we have 8 times 8 is 64, then over the denominator we have x times x, which is x to the second power, and this is equal to 8. Now let's go ahead and then multiply each side of this equation by x to the second power. Alright, so that this one will cancel this. Now we have 64 is equal to 8 times x to the second power. Okay, since we are looking for x, let's divide each side of this equation by 8, so that this one will cancel this. Now we have x to the second power is equal to 8 goes into 8 one time and then goes into 64 8 times. So we have here to be 8. Now since we are looking for x, let's take square root on the both sides of the equation. Don't forget we have plus or minus here. Now straight away this square will cancel this square root. Now we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 8. Now let's go ahead and then simplify this further. So we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 8 is the same as 4 times 2. Now if we split this, we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, then times root 2. Okay, so this implies that it is either x is equal to 2 root 2 or x is equal to negative 2 root 2. And this is our final answer. Now let's go ahead and then put these values into the original equation to see whether they satisfy the equation. Okay, now let's use this to do the testing, because if this works, then definitely this one is going to work. Okay, now the original equation is 8 over x, but we have x to be negative 2 root 2. So I'm going to bring the negative top, then write 2 root 2 over here, then times 8 over the exact same thing. So we have 2 root 2, then I'll bring the negative sign here, and this must be equal to 8. 2 goes into 2 one time and then goes into 8 4 times, okay? And this side, we have the exact same thing. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So we have negative 4 over root 2 times negative 4 over root 2, and this must be equal to 8. Negative 4 times negative 4, that is 16, then over. Now square root of 2 is the same as 2 to the power 1/2, okay? So square root of 2 times square root of 2 is the same as 2 to the power 1/2 times 2 to the power 1/2. Now you can see the bases are the same and they are multiplying, okay? So I will just write 1 and then add the powers. 1 over 2 over here. Now let's go ahead and then simplify this. So we have 2 to the power 2 over 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 1, and it is still 2, okay? So we have this side to be 2, and this must be equal to 8. And of course, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So we can conclude that x equals plus or minus 2 root 2 is a solution to this problem. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video.